Hi, little chef. What are we making today?
Today we're making potato balls.
Potatoes are cut. We're going to add it in our bowl. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste and cook for about 5 minutes. Whilst our potato is cooking, we are going to slice our bacon into small slices.
So that can be really good.
Yes, and crunchy.
The more it gets crunchy, the more it gets yummy.
You are very right. This is going to be so good. Okay, so we've added our chopped onions and we are going to cook it on the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes before we can use it in our cooking. So this is how our bacon is looking like. I'm going to turn the heat off and this is about 10 minutes. And then we are going to add all the mixtures together. While our potatoes and our bacon are cooking, we are just going to go ahead and slice our greens. We'll start by mashing our potatoes. So remember, my skin wasn't taken off, but if you would like to take off your potato skin, that is absolutely fine. I just want some little color in my potatoes. So what we are going to do next is we are going to add our prep greens. All right, go ahead.
And mash it.
Stir it together.
I know.
I will let you do it. So you mix it well. We are going to add our bacon bites. Mix it together. We're going to add our cornstarch. It's looking good already. At this time, you can taste for the salt. Here is the fun part. I already greased my hands with oil so it doesn't stick to it like this one. So I'm going to make my potatoes into a ball.
Mom, I'm done.
Okay, you can get your bowl.
Too much. This is so cracky.
Mold it. Now, we are going to drop our balls that we made slowly into the oil. Let me do this part. I can do this part. Now that it's brown on all sizes, we can take it out of the oil and look how delicious this looks. We are going to put them on a paper napkin for the oil to drain. Look how much food you can get from 2 medium-sized potatoes. That's a lot of food. And this is our second batch of the rest of the potatoes. Look at this. Okay, we have made our own dip that can be eaten with it. It's just equal amount of ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. You can eat it with ketchup. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be coming to you with another video. Bye-bye.
Bye.